Today we're going to draw my dog Porkchop. Hey, this is my dog Porkchop. He's so cute. Okay guys, so first we're going to start with the basic parts of my dog. So first we're going to start off with the head in the middle of our paper. So for the head, you're just going to draw a circle. Then we're going to draw the face. But we're not going to draw the eyes, we're just going to draw like the mouth and then the smile. So the first thing we're going to do for the mouth is we're going to do a little nose. So just draw an oval or a circle and then color it in black. Then you're going to draw a little mouth. So you're going to go up and then do that again for a little mouth. Okay guys, so now we're going to draw the eyes. So for the eyes, we're just going to draw 2 circles on each side. So one here and then one here. And then we're going to draw a small circle at the top of the eyes on each side and then do that at the bottom. But try to do it even smaller, like, kind of like that. And then color the rest in. That's it. Next step is to draw Porkchop's bandana and the ears. So first we're going to do the bandana, and you can come to like where his head is at the bottom. And then you're going to come out here, and then come do that right here, and then connect at the end. We're going to do more detail on it later, but for now, let's draw the ears. So for the ears, it's really easy. You're going to come up from this end and go down like this and connect them to the head. And you can repeat that on the other side. And that's it. Hey, you guys are doing so great. He kind of looks like an ice cream cone, but we're going to change that. We're going to do his body. So you're going to come like a straight line from where you did the bandana and draw a line right here and then on the other side. And that's going to be like his stomach, kind of, or like his neck, whatever you guys want to call it. Then I'm going to come like right out to here. I'm going to draw a straight line like this. You can do it like maybe about this far. If you want to go farther and make him bigger, that's fine. But maybe like this, and then you're going to round it off here and then come back to the place where we first did the bandana thing, and then come down and do his legs right here. And then we'll do another leg right there because he has 4 legs. So like we'll do that like overlapping it. Then you can also do the same thing right here. Okay, the last step is we're going to do his little claws, like his little, like this. And we're going to do them on the front paw because the back is going to be the back. So we don't have to do them in the back. And that's it. Okay, guys, so now for the finishing part of his body, we're going to do a little tail. So his tail is kind of crazy. So we're going to just like, if you want, you can just do like squiggly lines like this coming out. Like that. And then you could connect it at the top here. Because this is what his tail looks like. So okay guys, so now I'm going to add a little detail, like some little ruffles on his fur, so like this. And then do that just, if you want, you can do this. It's optional, you don't have to. But I just think it makes him look a little more realistic, so. Also, I'm going to do some detail on his face a little bit, so like, he has like a little thing here, and then it goes like up at the top. And then I'll do some more on his face. And then we'll do his ears later. Great job, guys. Now we're going to color in Porkchop. And we're going to speed it up a little bit. I'm going to do some shadows. And then I'm also going to color it with this yellow crayon. It's called Banana Mania. And then this one is called Timberwolf. So, yeah. Thank you for drawing with me in Kendra's Art Class. Make sure to like and subscribe for future videos.